Okay, for our second day of The Hunger Artist, you should have read the story yesterday. Um, in order to do this portion of the lesson, you need to have read it already. So, what I'm going to post for you today for the 25th lesson is I want you to go first, and then I want you to back up and answer these questions for our Kafka story. Um, please use either a Google Doc or Pages is fine. Please don't use Notability, it messes up a lot. And submit those to this assignment today for the points that are here on the questions. So for today's lesson, you watch the video, David Blaine in a box in London, and then answer these questions about that story, The Hunger Artist, and send that in. Tomorrow we'll watch another David Blaine where he talks about his art actually, and have a little essay response, a couple paragraphs in response to this piece. Okay, that's it for today. First off, I have put on this first link on our Google Classroom assignment. It's about that artist David Blaine that I talked about a little bit in yesterday's lecture. I want you to watch this little YouTube clip. It's about a little experiment he did, how many days he could spend in a box. So take a second and watch that. It's really interesting little article, and it has a lot to do with this specific story, The Hunger Artist, and what this artist is trying to accomplish with his art also. So read that video.